How to use the Rain Cloud Humidifier. Sounds of raindrop bring you more relaxation. It helps you to get into meditation faster and sleeping deeply. Essential oils spraying create perfect smell and air humidity. 7 colors LED night lights create a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. Fill some water. Connect power by Type-C cable. Press middle button and turn it on. 5 hours timer setting by press middle button 3 seconds. Short press left button choose one color light. Press left button 3 seconds to switch breathing light. Short press right button to switch rain volume. Press right button 3 seconds to adjust mist volume.